Friends, today we are learn about the identifying nodes in our network communication. In a network communication, it can use for the number of nodes it is using from the MAC addresses, IP addresses, internet web and the internet of the things. In this networking communication, you can use for the MAC addresses and IP addresses to be learned on introduction of the communication. Each node in a network should be uniquely identified so that a network device can identify the sender and the receiver and it decide the routing path to transmit the data. Let us explore further and it know how each node is distinguished in a network. Distinguished in a network in the form of MACs. The first address is the MAC address. What is mean by MAC? MAC stands for Media Access Control. The MAC address is also known as physical or hardware address. It is a unique value associated with a network. The adapter called as NIC. The adapter is called as the network NIC. The MAC address is engraved on NIC at the time of manufacturing and thus it is permanent address and cannot be changed under any circumstance. The machine on which the NIC is attached can be physically identified on the network using its MAC addresses. The MAC stands for Media Access Control and he can controlling the physical or hardware address. The engrave of NIC at the time of manufacturing, it is a permanent address and it cannot be changed under any circumstance. The machine on which the NIC is attached can be physically identified on a network it using its MAC address. The MAC address is a 12-digit hexadecimal numbers. The 48 bits its a length. Length is the total 48 bits and the 12-digit hexadecimal value you can use for the MAC address. For first 6 digit is the 24 bits and contain its a manufacturer's ID called as Organizational Unique Identifier OUI. And the later 6 digits, the another is the total 6 digits like a 24 bits. It's represent a unique serial number and that is assigned to the card of the manufacturer of MAC addresses. A simple MAC address you can address this FC, F8, AE, colon of C, colon of 7th B and the colon of 16. After in a red color it indication for organizational unique identifier and its blue color it's indicate for the unique serial number in the form of IP address. The IP addresses is also known as internal protocol address. It is also unique address that can be used uniquely identify each node in a network. The IP addresses are assigned to each node in a network and that uses the internet protocol for the communication using IP addresses. Thus we know a computer's IP address computer IP addresses we can communicate with that the computer from anywhere in the world. However, the unique MAC address or IP address can change if a unlike MAC address or IP address can change if a node is removed from one network and connected to the another network. The IP addresses is Internet Protocol address. This is a unique address and that address you can assign to each node in a network that uses to the Internet Protocol you can use or communication between each other. The computer IP address we can communicate with that computer from anywhere in the world. You can communicate. However, the unlike MAC addresses or IP addresses can change if a node is removed from a one network and connected to the another networks. Okay, in this slide you can see the IP addresses, IP address 4 or the initial IP address called the version 4 and that IP version 4 is a in a short for the 32-bit numeric address returned to 4 numbers is separated by the periods and where each number is a decimal base of 10. Representation for an 8 bits binary or base 2 numbers each can take any value of 0 to 255. Here a sample of IP4 look like 192 point colon of 168 colon of 0 colon of 178. You can use for 0 to 255 is the numbers is the unique addresses and it's representing the initial IP address. You can use for the IPv4 with a more and more device getting connected to the network. It was realized that the 32 bits IP addresses will not be sufficient as it offers just under 4.3 billion unique addresses. And that addresses you can use for 128 bits IP address called as IP version 6. The IP version 4 he can use for the 32-bit IP addresses and just sufficient will not be sufficient. It offers just under 4.3 billion unique address. Then after that you can use for the 128-bit IP address. This is the 128-bit IP address. His a version of 6 was proposed and this IP address is represented by 8 groups. This is the separate groups 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7 and the group 8. Total 8 groups of the hexadecimal value base of 16 and this number separated by the colons. And here give the example of the particular IP address is 6. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.